Okay, what's going on, Tycoon? So for today's video, super excited. I am going to give you guys a top 5 stocks for this month, for the end of October right now that I'm looking at, okay? That a lot of the members in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord are looking at. If you want to join that, okay, go ahead and link. The link is going to be down below in the description, okay? Go ahead and join there. Lots of great stuff going on. So first one we're going to look at is Twitter, okay? Twitter is down 9% at the moment right now. Okay, if we look here, this has got a good gap up to fill and another gap up to fill on the daily. Okay, just fell after its recent earnings report. And, this has potential to keep falling. Okay, but it does have some good opportunities long term for some slow burner plays. Okay, these are all pretty much going to be slow burners. They could take a while to recover and fill these gaps. They could fall in the meantime, or they could reverse quickly. Okay. So I would go long on these with long contracts if you do options or do some share possibilities, okay? You still have the potential to drop further. All right, next up is going to be that's Visa. Okay, Visa also gap down after earnings, all right? Visa looking very well, the payment sector looking very well. Another one similar to this is going to be PayPal, all right? PayPal has been doing the similar things. As you can see, it's been trading down. We're currently at the bottom of our trading channel right now, our sideways consolidation. If you can see here on the daily chart, it's been consolidated sideways. We're at the bottom, so this could be a good entry point for some long positions. Okay, we could ride it from here up to here. Okay, that's about 30% right there. But there is potential that we could fall further. All right, PayPal's got earnings coming up. The next one I want to look at is TXN. All right, that's Texas Instruments. Right, those are those calculators that you have to use whenever you're taking the SAT and things like that. As you can see, this one gap down after earnings as well, has a nice big gap up. Okay, and next one we're going to look at is pins. That's Pinterest. All right, Pinterest hasn't filled all of this gap, still has this top half of the gap to fill, has this gap up to fill, and if you notice has been dropping, okay, and filled this current gap down here. It needed to fill. It's got earnings coming up, okay, in November. We could see this fall more, okay? This could fall more before it recovers. Next one is going to be Snapchat. All right, and Snapchat, as you can see, I made a previous video. This is my buy zone for Snapchat for some long-term plays. All right, so I think that it could fall more. All right, look for some support here, and it could bounce up. Could find some support here. So, it could start to recover, or we could bounce at any one of these levels. I like all of these levels in between here for some shares or some long-term positions. And if you want to buy early, you can just average down if we get to these lower points here, okay? And last but not least, well, I think that was all of them, actually. I gave you guys a little bit extra, a little bit more than just 5. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. All of these stocks are definitely oversold, but they can continue to keep dropping, okay? So I would go long-term positions if you feel like adding here and knowing that it could dip more and it could be another opportunity to add some more to your position for your long-term hold. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to join the Discord. The link will be in the description below. Bye.